So here we go for another IGCSE question, and this one's about arcs, areas, and also I'd like to show you a very simple way of remembering those equations without having to memorize them. So let's say that you assume a circle of radius r. The angle of a full circle in this turn is 2 pi radians. Also, the area of a full circle is pi r squared. So if we cross multiply here, so we multiply the area by 2 pi, and we multiply theta, which is any angle, by pi r. We can cross some things out here, and we can rearrange this equation to express the area in terms of theta and the radius. So this is the equation for the area. If you have any angle which is less than the full turn, then your area will not be the area of a full circle. Now we can also compare our angle 2 pi to the length, so to the perimeter, to the arc length, to do the same thing and get to an equation. So the length of a full turn, so the perimeter of a circle, is 2 pi r. If we cross multiply here, we will get 2 pi r theta is equal to 2 pi l. Now let's make L our subject, and let's rearrange the equation. We can cross some things out. So the length of the arc is given by the product of the angle and the radius. Now remember, it's very important, those angles are in radians. It's a very common mistake for students to use angles in degrees here and be in trouble. You might work out some other equations, and it's fairly easy. I can show you when we face some problems like those. But for now, those will be enough. So the length of our arc is 4 pi over 3, which is given by r theta. The radius in the question is given, which is 8 centimeters. So this would be 8 theta. If we rearrange this equation, we will then find that theta is 4 pi over 24. And we can simplify this and get pi over 6. Now, the area of this sector is k pi. And the units, they're all in centimeters, so that's why I'm not bothering to write them down. If they were in different units, we would have to convert them and to worry about them. So, the area of the sector is k pi, which is given by this equation that we have found before. Theta r squared over 2. The radius is 8, so radius 8 squared. Theta is pi over 6, and we had a 2 in our equation. So this is 64 divided by 12 pi. And we can simplify this a few times. 32 and 6, 16 and 3. So k is 16 over 3.